Whoa, when did I come to this island? Hi guys, welcome to my channel Art and Craft Master. Here today I'm going to be introducing how to make this island, and I might make a video about how to make this tree with an island with a tree in 3 parts. So let's get started. So this base is the first part which we're going to be looking at. This is actually made up with a cardboard base and newspaper over it, and I put some sand and glued it to the surface so that it looks more realistic, and I painted the part with some green color so that it looks like grass. And this trunk is totally made up with paper, and it's pretty strong. It wouldn't break or fall. And then this leaf, it is also made up with paper, and it's cut up in such a way that it looks pretty realistic a bit. And there are a few coconuts down here that is not fully painted, but I'll be painting it and showing you in the video while I'm making it. So this is all about this island with the tree. So you guys can comment down below, and if I get nearly 5 viewers or subscribers nearly, I'll be from this video I'll be making a video on how to make this with 3 parts. One as the base, one as the trunk, and another as the leaf and the coconuts. Thank you, and please do subscribe. And good